Well, hello, boys and girls. Today, I thought we'd do something about Halloween. On October 31st, we do Halloween. We dress up like all our monsters and wear our favorite costumes. Do you know what I am? So, I've been sitting here, reading my book, listening to my fire, and waiting for you. Are you excited? Are you scared? Don't worry. I have a story for you. Shall we check it out? Come along. Okay. Today's story is Skeleton Hiccups. If you know the story, why don't you try and read along? So,
It's a skeleton.
I'm a skeleton. All right then. Hic, hic, hic. So, Skeleton Hiccups. Here we go. Skeleton woke up.
Had the hiccups. Oh. Took a shower, but off went the soap. He brushed his teeth. Brush, brush, brush. Ouch, my jaw. There it goes. He polished his bones. Back on it goes. Ow! He carved a pumpkin. Cut the eyes, the nose, and the... What a mouth. Can't do anything today. He raked some leaves. Rake, rake. He's making more of a mess. He played with Ghost. Hey, catch! Hey! No luck with the ball. Oh! Ghost told Skeleton, hold your breath. Skeleton held his breath. It didn't work. Eat some sugar. It didn't work either. Press your fingers into your eyeballs. It didn't work. In your eyeballs? Wow. Drink some water upside down. It didn't work. Ghost made a face. Skeleton. Hic, hic, hic. It didn't help. Ghost said boo to Skeleton. Skeleton! Hic, hic, hic. It didn't help. What are they to do? Nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. Hic, hic, hic.
Then Ghost.
He had an idea. He got smart. What is he looking for in there? What do you think? Let's find out. He found a mirror. He lifted it up. Looking this way. Turn around. He turned around into the mirror and skeleton screamed. It's your face. Ah! Off go the hiccups. The hiccups left. Bye-bye, hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. Away they went. Hic, hic, hic. Hooray! Hic, hic. Where did they go? Hic. Maybe into you. And that's our story today. Have a happy Halloween and look forward to many more scary stories.